Okay. Guys, is my screen is visible? Guys, look, someone please. Not visible, huh? Okay, Gmeet share cheyalata nenu. Okay, okay. Yeah, I started sharing my screen, guys. Is it visible now?
What is today's class on?
Special operators. The last classification, okay? In operators. Special operators. Okay. So Python defines the following two special operators. Okay. First, identity operator. To membership operator. Yeah. Okay. See, guys, in the first class, I told you about identity operator, not identity, something called, mutability and immutability. Guys, do you remember the concept? Suppose what I told, suppose if I told, yeah, who is that? Sunil, right? If I gave A equal to 10 and B equal to 10, what will happen? I told. So first, for A equal to 10, it is called PVM. Python virtual machine will create a block of space for 10. Okay. Okay, right? And it will assign that block address to A. Am I correct, guys? Now, if B equal to 10, now that block address is directly assigned to B. Okay, can let me try and show you. Okay, guys? Okay. So let me explain again. A equal to 10. Okay, that means what will happen internally? There will be a block of space created. Inside we have 10. Okay, and there will be some reference address, base address, some 102 something big address. That address will be assigned to A. Am I correct, guys? This is the thing which you told earlier. Am I correct? So that means this A is pointing to E. A is pointing to this block. Am I correct, guys? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now if B equal to same value, if they have assigned the same value which is there in the heap, okay, now again this address will be assigned to directly to B also. Okay, now B will also point to the same location. Okay, guys, is it okay? Now the address of A is nothing but address of B, right, guys? Okay, so let me execute the code. See, for that we have a is operator. Okay, if A is suppose print A equal to 10, B equal to 10, you can say A is B should be true. Okay, print A is B. Am I correct, guys? See, it will print true. See, guys, is it okay?
Okay.
I sent in the group, right? 1 minute. Why she's not? Just a minute. Yeah, okay. So is nothing but which will indicate for address. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. So now you can say ID of A equal to ID of B. Am I correct, guys? Print ID of A. See, print ID of B. Am I correct, guys? Why she is not able to join? Okay, not accepting. Oh, sorry. Multiple people are there. Ayyo. Sorry, Sushmita. I was actually, actually, if someone is joining, I'll get a sound actually. But today I haven't received sound. Okay. 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 Yeah. So Sushmita, I was telling today, special operator. Special operator means, first one is identity operator. Identity operator means, I have drawn here a diagram. Suppose A equal to 10, okay, and B equal to 10. What the PVM will do, Python virtual machine, for A equal to 10, a block of space is created. There will be some base address. Okay, that base address will be assigned to A. Again, B equal to 10, the same value is already there. Okay, so PVM will directly assign this base address to B as well. So I can say my address of A is nothing but address of B. Correct? Provided those two have the same value. Am I correct, guys? Yes. Okay. So here you can say ID of A and ID of B must be equal. Am I correct, guys? And so if you want to check whether they are having the same address or not, you can use is. Okay, if A is B is true, then you can say A and B are same address. And if you have still have a doubt, print ID of A and ID of B. Is it okay, guys?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for responding. Okay, let me paste. Sunil, is it okay? Okay, thank you. Guys, now match is going right, like KKR and Delhi. They said it's one enough. Vizag one is going. Okay. Now, we'll try for the same thing. X equal to true and Y equal to true. Guys, the same thing will apply, right, guys? Then X is Y, right? Am I correct, guys? Let us try that. Okay, na? See, guys. Okay. Okay, na? Yeah, it's true. And print ID of X, print ID of Y. See, guys, they're having the same address. Okay. Now, yeah. Now let us try something. Same is operator list. Okay, guys. Okay. The list L1 equal to, you can say cat, dog, cow. Okay. And L2 equal to cat, dog, and cow. Guys, is L1 is L2. Now, guys, can you guys tell me like what will happen? Will it refer? No, will it be referring to same address?
No,
Okay. Why?
because they are two different lists.
Yes. Even though the data is same, okay, these will create two different lists. Okay, guys. Okay. print L1 is L2. Okay, let us try. It should be false. Okay, yeah. Okay, let us try by printing the address of that. See guys, this is different address and this is different address. Okay guys. Okay, now let us go with the last one. Sorry, in special operators, the second one is membership operator, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So we can use membership operator. So basically, this this will test whether the given suppose if there in the list contains there are 4 to 5 elements. If you want to check whether a number is whether a number is there in the list or not. Okay, then we go for in operator or membership operator. Okay, membership operator is nothing but in. Okay, in. Okay, na? And here identity operator is nothing but is. Okay, we can use membership operator to check whether a given element is there in the particular object, whether the given element is there or not. Okay, guys, let us try that. Okay, na? Okay, s equal to Sunil Tech. Okay, now guys, can someone tell me print uh, T in S, is it true or false, guys? No. True, because my T is already there. Okay. Okay. Now, not in and T లేదు అని చెప్తున్నాం. Is it true or false? Obviously, it is false, right? Yeah. Okay. Obviously, it's false. Okay. This is the use of in and not in. Okay, guys. Okay. Not on T, you can use print Sunil in S. Yeah, see, it is true. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is about you call what is that term? Membership operator. Okay, guys. Okay. Now we go for next concept, that is mathematical functions. Okay. Guys, first let us discuss something about module. Okay, before going to mathematical functions, so you can say, because we need to import a math module first. Let us see what is module is. Guys, any idea what is module is?
A group of programs.
It's not like that. Yeah, it is. Yeah, correct. It's collection of functions, variables, and classes. Yeah, it is not. Yeah, that's correct. Functions, variables, and class. Okay. Okay. So we have something called math module. Okay. See. So first you should import that module. Okay. Import math. Okay, guys. So if now below you can use you can call anything which is there in the math module. Okay, guys. Math dot See, SQRT of 16. What's the answer, guys, here? Guys, what is the answer? 4, yeah. Now, math the dot, you can say pi. What's the answer here, guys?
1.14.
Yeah. See? Yeah. So, in this way, you can use, because you are just importing the math module. That means once you imported the module, any module, you can use, you can print or you can invoke the methods which are there inside the math module. Okay, not only math module, you can import any module and you can do these things. Okay, yeah. We'll speak more about modules in advanced Python. Okay, once we complete the core Python, okay, then we go to advanced Python. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay. For this, we can use something called alias name. Okay, we can use alias name alias name instead of direct name. Guys, if you're not comfortable using with math, you can assign some alias name. What is that? Alias name. Okay. Import math as M. Okay. M. Okay. You can directly call m.sqrt, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it. See, guys. Suppose there are guys who want to directly write square root. Guys, is it okay so far? Guys, I often used to tell, like, please make the class more interactive. Okay. Ask the doubts. Okay, clarify your doubts.
What you're telling?
So yeah, I'm telling, yeah, next topic, not next topic. Suppose there are cases.
I understood. Yes.
Impression.
అదిలే అర్థం అవ్వలేదు ముందు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now if you instead of alias name, if you want to directly call the function, okay, for that directly import the function. Okay, use from keyword, from math, import sqrt. Okay, guys, print of, see, in the step 1 I have used the module name directly. In the step 2, yeah, in the case 2 I have used alias name. In the step 3 I'm directly importing the function and directly calling the function. Okay, am I correct, guys? Okay, guys, see. Okay, now don't write math.sqrt, it is an error. Okay, na? See, see, this is an error, guys. Okay, now you're not allowed to write like this. Okay, so yeah, let me copy this snippet of code. Sunil, is it okay, guys? Is it okay, Sunil? Are you following?
Yes, sir, yes.
Thank you. Yeah, guys. Okay, these are some of the math functions, math operations. Okay, now we'll see input and output statements. Okay, guys. Yes, yesterday we have seen, no, the input and output statements. So yesterday I have given some layman example, like, consider going to ATM, because if you go to ATM, your pin or what we call your pin or your money to withdraw your type of account, you cannot hard code, right? Like you cannot assign directly, right, in any program, because each user has different inputs. Am I correct, guys? So you should make sure that the user input values could store into the variable. Okay, na, guys? Guys, is it okay? Guys, did you got the thing which I was okay, right? Yeah. So what I was trying to say, you are not allowed to write pin equal to something like 1, 2, 3, 4, or account type equal to savings, because you are not allowed, because in a city there are lakhs of people using the same ATM, right? So each guy has different number of pin, different account type, different money to withdraw. Am I correct? So So you're not allowed to write like this. So you should, instead of writing like this, you should connect the end user with the variable. Am I correct, guys? So pin equal to, you give some function, okay, something, some input function which will assign the entered value to this variable. Am I correct, guys? The function, the function will assign the entered value to this variable. Okay, guys? Okay, right, guys? Guys, is this point is clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, before going to no, input int of input directly, I want to tell what is there in Python 2, and let me compare Python 2 with Python 3. Okay, guys? Okay. For input, input, Python 2 has two functions available. Python 2 has two functions are available. Unavailable. Okay, what is that, guys? One is raw input, and second one is input. So in Python 2, how it works is like the raw input will take whatever the value you give, it will take as a string, and input will take, suppose if you entered int value, it will take int. If you entered float value, it will take float. If you enter something string value, it will take string, like that. But raw input will always take in form of string format. Okay, guys? This is in Python. If someone is asking for int of input, you tell them what is there in Python 2 and what is updated in Python 3. Okay, guys? Yeah. So raw input, the function always reads the data in form of string. The function always reads the data in form of string. Okay, guys? Next, input. Input in this function reads the data in require format. Okay, guys? But now in Python 3, guys, in Python 3, input function behaves exactly same like raw input. Input function behaves exactly. I will tell with the code, don't worry, exactly same like raw input. See, guys, then what will be my input function, like how it will behave, guys? Can you please tell me? Guys, what the line 65 means?
It takes every input as string.
Exactly, like how raw input in Python 2 behaves, in a similar way input function in Python 3 will behave the same way. Okay, let us try that. Okay, guys? Okay, suppose something s equal to input of, please enter the value. See, guys, this is the function. See, I will tell in detail what is function, what are the types of function, everything in functions topic. Okay. For that, meanwhile, you please remember this function will reuse it to read input values. Okay. So whatever the text you are entering, no, it is optional. Okay. It is totally up to you. Okay. Please enter the value for us. Sunil, is it okay?
Sir, repeat again, sir.
Which line? Which topic?
Sir, just now, this one.
This one, no? Okay. So basically, what I'm telling, the function, no function, there is a separate topic in Python called functions. In that, I will explain in detail about functions. But here, just remember that this input function, okay, will allow the user to enter the value. Okay. Sunil, is it clear? So,
Okay, sure.
so instead of hard coding, suppose S equal to some Sunil Tech like this, you want the end user to enter his value. Okay, what is that? End user to enter the value. Okay, let us try that. Okay, see, because of that line one, you will get a pause. Okay, in the while running the program, you'll get a pause until you enter the value and hit the enter. See, you'll get a pause. Okay, now suppose if I enter 100, guys, see, class string. Is it okay if I enter even though I'm entering an integer value, it will take as a string. Okay, in Python 2, my raw input behaves the same way. Oh, is it okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, so you can conclude that raw input, you can say like this also, raw input in Python 2 is renamed to input in Python 3. Okay, guys? Guys, so far, so it's fine.
Is there any particular reason they removed raw input?
They want, they want to bring more readability. Raw input means it's not like it's proper, right? It's not a proper thing, right? Like, yeah.
Okay.
So here they're just, if you want to do any data, you just typecast it, okay? Int,
Yeah, I got it.
that's the thing. Okay. Now if you enter the value, it will be typecast to int. Okay. Then my data type is int. See, class int. Okay, guys. Okay. Now s1 equal to, you can use float of input. Please enter the value. Okay, guys. Please enter the value. Okay. Okay, guys. See. Other mission. Okay. Guys, is it fine, guys? Guys, by the way, anyone is following cricket? Like, what's the score now? 272. Oh my God, they have broken a SRH record. Okay. How much Russell hit? Narayan 85. Oh my God. Okay, let's get back. Okay. We'll see the second innings after the class. Okay. 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 Now the next program is write a program to read two numbers from keyboard and print sum. Guys, can anyone tell me like what the code should be, how the code should be? Guys, can anyone please?
To read two numbers from the keyboard and this. A is equal to int of input, enter a number.
Okay, and B equal to int of input, enter the number, and add a. Am I correct, guys? Is it okay? Let us try that. Okay. So instead of that, you can try like this also. Okay. That. See, we can write like this also. A equal to input of, please enter value of A. Please enter. Sunil, are you following, Sunil?
Following, sir.
Thank you. B equal to, please enter.
But int విషయాలు కదా int of input.
చెప్తా అలా కాకుండా కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ అవుతుంది. Okay, now see x equal to int of A. In this way also you can write see that if you write there direct to type caching, you're just increasing to one step. Am I correct? Sushinta, fine?
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah, I'm giving semicolons, my bad. Print of x plus y, okay? అంతే. Okay, katam. Okay. Guys, is it okay? Yeah. Okay, now see for a guy, name, number, salary, address, is he married or not, or male or female, like sorry, yeah, anything, gender, everything. Okay, we'll read. Okay, so we'll use the specific data type. Okay. Guys, now what we'll do for a guy, for a person, you need to read 5 values. You need to read name, okay, age, okay, gender, and name is gender and salary, guys. Okay, now name, which data type we should go, guys tell me. No, Prashant, string respond avanti. Yeah, string. Age, int, fine. And gender,
Character.
sorry, there is no char data type in Python. String, okay. And salary, float. Okay, let us read these 5 and we'll print. Okay, na? This is about this problem is to familiarize yourself with all the required data types. Okay, guys. Okay, first number. Okay, int of input, please enter your number. Okay, na? Next, ename. Ename అంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ స్ట్రింగ్ కదా. Input of please enter the name. Okay na? ఈ salary nothing but just float, right, guys? Float of input of please enter salary. Okay na? Number, name, salary. And what else, guys? Address. Again, address is again string, right, guys? Please enter value for address. Okay, now I'll print them happily. Okay, so print of number, print of ename, print of is a print of address. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm just printing this. Okay. Enter your name, Sunil. What happened? Oh shit, this is number, right? Okay, okay, I entered string, that's why it is typecasting. Enter number, okay, 23. And name, Sunil. Salary, some 1, 2, 3, something, okay. And address, something, Vizag, Madurai. See guys, it is printing, how neat it is printing. Okay guys, so far.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Hmm. Guys, now we'll see how to read multiple values from the keyboard in a single line. Read multiple values from the keyboard in a single line. Is it okay, guys?
Okay.
Single line. Okay, let us see that. Okay, L equal to input of please enter value dot split. Okay, so split means it will split wherever the space is there. Okay, guys. Okay, let us see. Okay, now we'll print L. Okay, na? Print type of L and print L. Okay. Okay, na? Let us see. See 10 space 20 space 30. See guys, it will be turned to a list. See, you are just entering in a single line, but you are asking to split. Am I correct, guys? So split means by default, wherever the space is there, it will break there. 10, it will go to the entry 1. 10 will become entry 1, 20 entry 2, 30 entry 3. That's it. Okay, this all three form to be a list. Okay, internally, this splitting function will return a list. Okay, guys? Okay, na?
సో లిస్ట్ ఇన్పుట్స్ మనం పర్లు యూజ్ చేయకుండా ఇలా కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చా?
Yeah, ఇలా కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. Yes, that's correct. ఇలా కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. Okay? ఓకేనా? అది విషయం.
క్వశ్చన్ నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు మరి.
అంటే బేసికల్లీ మనం లిస్ట్ కి మనం ఎట్లా ఇన్పుట్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం యూజింగ్ ఫర్ లూప్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఐ ఇన్ ప్రశాంత్ ఇది నేను చూసిన రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ సంథింగ్ 5 అని పెట్టేసి 5 times విల్ రీడ్ నెంబర్ అంతే కదా. x ఈక్వల్ టు ఇంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్పుట్ అని పెడతామా? ఓకే, ఎల్ఐ డాట్ డిపెండ్. తను ఏమంటుందంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ మనం ఎట్లా ఇచ్చేయచ్చు కదా సింగిల్ లైన్ అంటుంది. దట్స్ ఫైన్, యా ఇచ్చేయచ్చు. Who said no? If you see some hacker rank codes, they will give directly like this only. Okay, you should understand this. Okay, what they're giving. Okay, na? Guys, there is something called list assertion. Guys, anyone have idea what is list assertion now? Because the topic came, I just want to teach about that. See, list assertion means, okay, we'll just iterate over the list and we'll form a new list. I think Sushmita, you got the question in some interview. Am I correct, Sushmita?
Yes.
Yeah. చదువుకోవాలి నీట్గా. ఓకే. Yeah. Now, ఇప్పుడు see, we'll form a new list. Okay, new list equal to, okay, see, open brace. Okay, for I in L. Okay, guys. Okay, so whatever there in the L can come to I. So every I you just square it. Okay, so I am forming a new list with the squares of those numbers. Okay, guys. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
అదే అనమాట విషయం. ఓకే, సో మై న్యూ లిస్ట్ 1 2 3 ఇస్తే దాని న్యూ లిస్ట్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 1 4 9 అవుతుంది. ఓకే గైస్, ప్రింట్ న్యూ లిస్ట్. సి మై
What,
సి ఐ
what
విల్
is
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్
the,
అగైన్. హలో,
yeah, what is the definition of list association?
list association means if you want to create a new list from the any tuple or list, okay, so you should enclose that. This is the style of writing that. See, so first for I in L, this is simple for loop. So whatever the value there in L, it will come to I, and for each value of I, you're doing the square and you are just storing it to new list. Okay na?
Okay.
Print of new list. Okay guys. Okay, so 1 2 3. 1 minute, 1 minute. Now I am getting error. Okay, fine. Basically, what will happen is each value, will be type of, yeah, will be type of string actually. Okay, so basically, yeah. So it should be first. You should convert this to int. Okay. See here, here am I giving 1 space 2 space 3, right? Okay. So this total thing will convert to list, but each one is a string, 2 is a string. So by default for input now, whatever we gave from the keyboard will take as a string. So squaring them is illegal. No, it is not possible, right? So you should convert that thing to int of I. Okay, then my new list becomes all the int values. Okay. 1 2 3. See guys, these are the string values. Okay, now these are the list values. Okay now, we'll try, we'll try to square by using list assertion. See here, you are just by using the list assertion, you are converting everything into int. Okay, now I will do the square or 2 times of that number. Okay, so list squares, something like that. List squares equal to, okay, I into I for I in new list. అంతే కదా? కృష్ణ, ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది కదా స్క్వేర్స్. హలో,
Yeah. Can't we do for 7th line, int of I star I?
చేయొచ్చు బట్ అది కొంచెం కాంప్లెక్స్ అవుతుంది అంతే. అది కొంచెం చెందాలని అనిపిస్తుంది. ఎందుకు చేయొచ్చు డెఫినెట్లీ. 10 20 guys, this list assertion is very important. Okay guys, see, okay na, like this. So yeah, this is about reading the multiple values at from a single line. Okay guys, and this is about list assertion. Okay na? Yes, it's Prashant, you're asking something.
I think
చెప్పు.
class తర్వాత
Yeah, sure. Okay, let me stop sharing and stop that.